Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing money coming in. Not from a job, not from a boss, but from systems you built once, and they keep paying you again and again. Sounds unrealistic? What if I told you people are doing this every single day, starting from zero? No money, no connections, no special skills. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 real passive income streams you can build from scratch, step by step. No fluff, no fake get-rich-quick promises. Just strategies that actually work in 2026. And if you follow this properly, you won't just make money once. You'll build income systems that pay you for years. Let's clear one myth first. Passive income is not do nothing and get rich. It's not press one button and earn money. Real passive income is simple. Work once, earn repeatedly. You put in effort up front, then you build systems. Then those systems make money automatically. Think about things like YouTube videos, digital products, websites, and online assets. Now let's build 5 of them step by step. The first income stream is a YouTube automation channel. This is one of the most powerful income streams today. And the best part is, you don't even need to show your face. Start by picking a niche. Focus on high CPM categories like finance, AI tools, health, or luxury. Next, build a content strategy. Aim for 2 long videos per week and 5 to 7 short videos. Use storytelling and curiosity to keep viewers engaged. Then use AI tools to speed up your work. Generate scripts, create voiceovers, and edit videos efficiently. Finally, monetize your channel through ad revenue, affiliate links, and sponsorships. In the beginning, growth will be slow. The first 1 to 2 months may feel like nothing is happening. But after 3 to 6 months, you can reach monetization. And after 6 to 12 months, this can become a serious income stream. It's not fast, but it's highly scalable. The second income stream is digital products. This is where passive income becomes very powerful because you create something once and sell it unlimited times. Examples include ebooks, courses, templates, or planners. Start by identifying a problem people want solved. It could be making money online, losing weight, or improving productivity. Then create a simple product. Don't overcomplicate it. A 20 to 30-page ebook or a simple guide is enough to start. Sell it on platforms like Gumroad, Payhip, or your own store. Then drive traffic using YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. Don't aim for perfection. Aim for value and simplicity. Even if your product is priced at just $10, 100 sales equals $1,000. The third income stream is affiliate marketing. This is one of the easiest ways to start with zero money. You don't need to create any product. You simply promote other people's products. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Start by choosing a niche like tech, finance tools, fitness, or AI. Join affiliate programs related to that niche. Then create content around those products. This could be YouTube videos, short-form content, or blog posts. For example, top 5 AI tools to make money. Add your affiliate links in the description. But here's the key. Don't focus on selling. Focus on educating and recommending. That builds trust, and trust increases conversions. The fourth income stream is blogging or niche websites. This is slower but extremely powerful long-term. You write articles, Google ranks them, and traffic comes in every day without extra effort. Start by choosing a niche like finance, health, or technology. Do keyword research to find topics with low competition and high search demand. Then write SEO-optimized articles. Topics like Best AI Tools in 2026 or How to Save Money Fast work well. You can monetize through ads and affiliate links. In the first 3 months, traffic will be small, but within 6 to 12 months, it can become stable and consistent. This is one of the most passive income streams once it grows. The fifth income stream is an AI-powered service system. This is one of the newest opportunities. You use AI to deliver services faster and more efficiently. Examples include resume writing, social media content, or thumbnail design. Start by choosing a simple service like writing, design, or scripting. Use AI tools to automate most of the work. Sell your service on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, then systemize everything using templates and automation. Over time, you reduce your workload while increasing your income. Now, here's where most people fail, and where smart people win. They don't rely on just one income stream. They combine all of them. For example, YouTube brings traffic. Affiliate marketing generates income. Digital products bring profit. Blogs create long-term traffic. AI services generate cash flow. Together, this becomes a complete money ecosystem. If one stream slows down, the others continue working. Let me be honest with you. This is not easy. You won't make money in 7 days. You won't become rich overnight. But if you stay consistent for 6 to 12 months, you can completely change your life. Start with one stream. Master it. Then build the others. Because the goal is not quick money. The goal is freedom. And it starts today. If you want more content like this, make sure you subscribe, because here we don't chase money. We build systems that generate it.